Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking. My name is TammyKikoy and welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, I'm looking at the bank, same as I do not want to tell. Yeah, nuts with my gang. Give me just a stand. Cover on my
Today I'll be reacting to another Dimash performance in I Am Singer 2017, but this time he will be singing Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars. And I'm so excited about his performance, but regarding with the last performance of Dimash the last autumn, my reaction video was copyrighted because the video that I got was owned by some sort of company, and I'm so sad about it, but it's okay as long as I made a reaction video out of that. So any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
不是看到影子。是啊，这样看起来只有10几岁的样子。
Come on, everybody, stand up, stand up, stand up! Big hit their eyes got Michelle fight for their white girl. This one for them good girls, said masterpieces. Styling, wilding, living it up in this city. Good jokes on with Salura, good kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. The gun and police and the fireman are too hot. Make a tag one retirement, too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, too hot. I'm a bad but them wanna break it up. Girl City, hallelujah. Girl City, hallelujah. Girl City, hallelujah. Cause I'm the one gonna give it to ya. Cause I'm the one gonna give it to ya. Don't believe me, just once. Come on! Don't believe me, just once. Don't believe me, just once. Great! Thank you! Yeah? Feel my God, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign each up. Pull it up, get the stage. Got to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. Each show up, we gon' show up. Sponsors in the fresh tracks, give me. I'm too hot. Killing the police and the firemen. I'm too hot. Make a time for one to retirement. Too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. Too hot. I'm a bad one, set money, pick it up. Girl City, hallelujah. Girl City, hallelujah.
Girl City, hallelujah.
Cause I'm the one gonna give it to ya. Cause I'm the one gonna give it to ya. Don't believe me, just once. Come on! Don't believe me, just once. 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 Oh! Follow me. Follow me. Singing. Uptown, funky pop. Uptown, funky pop. Uptown, funky pop. Uptown, funky pop. Yeah! Uptown, funky pop. Uptown, funky pop.
帅。
神来笔啊！
单纯的魅力。
Thank you! Maestro, thank you, thank you, friends. Thank you. 掌声送给迪玛希。
Thank you. Wow. Nice rendition of Uptown Funk You Up by Bruno Mars. And this song requires a lot of energy, a lot of vocals, and a lot of air, because this is an upbeat song and you need to have a lot of air to sing this song. And for me, a very good rendition, but my concern is that the way he pronounced the English words, like the clarity is not that good, but still the beat, the way he delivered the song, like the audience were so vivacious, they were so happy and enjoyed the whole performance. That is also because of his charisma, his appeal in the audience, and the totality of Dimash is just like a star. Yes, and Bruno Mars is one of my idols, and I love his performance. I love all his songs, especially this one, Uptown Funk You Up. A very good choice of song for an upbeat performance. Anyways, if you have any more Dimash videos you want me to react, please drop the link down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the family, please don't forget to subscribe, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.